We are hearing from Secretary of State Raffensperger about the lawsuit that he has filed against the Department of Justice. In his lawsuit, he is seeking any communications between the DOJ and dozens of opponents to Georgia's new election law. Secretary Raffensperger says the DOJ was supposed to respond within 20 days, but it has now been more than 90. Republicans helped push through the new law this year after Democrats won the presidential and Senate races in our state. Parts of the new law have already been enacted, including changes to voting hours and how drop boxes can be used for absentee ballots. Other parts are still being contested in court.
We want to know a simple question. Where did you come up with this idea of suing the state of Georgia over SB 202? Many of our practices are very similar to what we have in other states. We've increased the number of days of early voting. So we have a lot of issues, and we want to know, what did Stacey Abrams and what did these other 60 organizations that we identified, how did they influence your decision?
We also asked Secretary Raffensperger about a recent settlement involving his own office's response to a public records request from a government watchdog organization. He says his department was also inundated with requests, but only has 2 people to handle them, and they responded as quickly as possible.